Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Shamim, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back, guys. I really love you so much. And today's video is about rice. I'm going to make a very yummy vegetable rice. This is a very easy to make rice, good to go. You can get this rice, you can get all the ingredients in any market around the world. So first of all, I started by boiling my rice just in the rice cooker. Put my rice in the rice cooker and let it give it the time and let it boil for some times. And then later I'm going to go ahead starting cutting my onions and preparing my vegetables while I'm cooking my rice in the rice cooker and waiting when will the rice starting giving something really perfect. Then after doing the rice, after for the onion, I'm now here preparing my red pepper. Here I'm gonna use red pepper, onion, green pepper, carrot, and green beans. So I'm making sure all the ingredients are well cut and well settled, making everything is on set. Done with preparing my vegetables and my rice was ready. I'm now going to go ahead starting preparing my beef. I'm now trying to fry the beef, deep frying them. I cut the beef into like small slices. So here I'm trying to fry beef. I didn't want really to boil them because my beef, they're really tender. I'm gonna use a tender spices so that they can get easy, they can get a quick cook. So here trying to cook and make sure my beef is really well cooked. I just have to give it some time, wait a little bit to make it well cooked, and then I just have to give it enough time for the beef to be well settled and be cooked. Then I went ahead add my green pepper. I'm sitting by the hard ones because these green peppers and carrot, they really need sometimes to be well cooked and to be well formed. And so this is what I really wanted to make them really good to go. And voila, we are here. My beef is well cooked and I'm coming again adding my onions, my green peppers and my red peppers so I can deep fry them and making sure like they are all cooked. Guys, cooking come with giving enough time with all the ingredients you are putting in your pot. You have to make sure you give enough time and let everything be cooked so that you won't eat something that is half cooked. So just let it cook, let it be cooked, give it some time. This rice is really yummy, and you can really see how the vegetable rice is really giving some. Here I added some turmeric, like a little bit of turmeric, which I wanted to color my rice. And yeah, for giving it a little bit flavor of turmeric flavor. But the rice is really going down, down, down. Keep stirring till everything is well mixed. Guys, you can see how the rice is really looking yellowish, and the turmeric is coming, and you can see how the ingredients, they are well mixed. Voila, my rice is well cooked and ready to be served. This is what I really like when I can see something like this, and I really love it like this, guys. Please, guys, remember to like, subscribe, and share with your friend to try this recipe and try this rice. You will love it, and I'm pretty sure everybody will love it. Bye bye, see you in the next video. Mwah.